Hello everyone, hello universe. We are here at Intercontinental in Mexico City for the 73rd Miss Universe. And I have the honor and the pleasure of meeting the parents of Chelsea Manalo. Introduce yourself please.
I'm Tessa Manalo.
The dad and Chelsea's designer.
Hi, I'm Manny Halasan from Philippines.
Well, we are so surprised.
Magandang araw mga kapolitika at welcome back dito sa ating YouTube channel. In this video is atin pong panonoorin ang naging interview ng parents or mga magulang ni Chelsea Manalo na kung saan ay dumating na dito sa bansang Mexico para sa Miss Universe 2024. Pero bago ang lahat ay huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue. So dumating na nga po itong parents ni Chelsea Manalo dito sa bansang Mexico para saksihan ang kompetisyon ng kanilang anak na si Chelsea. So dito sa naging interview ay nilahad ng mama ni Chelsea Manalo ang mga hirap at kung kailan at saan nagsimula itong ating kandidata sa Miss Universe 2024 sa kanyang journey dito sa mga pagsali sa mga beauty pageant contest. At sabi pa nga ng mama ni Chelsea ay nai-excite ito at the same time kinakabahan rin dito sa kompetisyon ng kanilang anak. Samantala, positibo naman ang nakikita ng parents, especially itong mama ni Chelsea Manalo dito sa naging journey sa Miss Universe 2024. And mga kapolitika, bukas na nga po itong closed door interview ng ating kandidata dito sa kailang beauty pageant. And I think itong closed door interview ang isa sa mga malaking factor if ever mapipili itong si Chelsea dito sa top 5. Okay, kasi dito ay kikilatisin talaga ng mga judges at the same time ng mga interviewer itong 120 plus na mga candidate dito sa Miss Universe 2024. So hindi talaga basta-basta yung sinasabi na nga natin na parang tila madugo talaga itong laban ni Chelsea Manalo. But mga kapolitika, wala po tayong pag-alinlangan. Tayo ay malakas ang ating kutob at tiwala dito sa ating kandidata na si Chelsea Manalo na ibibigay niya ang kanyang pinaka-the best na performance dito sa Miss Universe 2024. So narito at panunorin po natin ang naging interview ng parents ni Chelsea dito sa isang vlog.
Hello everyone, hello universe. We are here at Intercontinental in Mexico City for the 73rd Miss Universe. And I have the honor and the pleasure of meeting the parents of Chelsea Manalo. Introduce yourself please.
I'm Tessa Manalo.
The dad and Chelsea's designer.
Hi, I'm Manny Halasan from Philippines.
Well, we are so surprised to see you here in the hotel.
It's one day pa
Oh, so
actually
you just
since
kagagaling
yesterday.
nyo lang.
Last night.
Just got here.
Yeah.
Okay. How are you feeling so far?
Excited actually. Sobrang excited. And kinakabahan.
What is your biggest wish for Chelsea right now?
Siyempre makuha natin ng corona. Pang-5 corona ng Pilipinas.
And it's looking very possible
Yes.
because she is giving her all,
Yes.
not trying. It's so natural.
Oh, thank you.
Every vlogger, every media person I have spoken to, they have put Chelsea Manalo on their top 5.
Oh, thank
So
you. Thank
there,
you.
there is a lot of expectation, and I hope that Chelsea is not feeling the pressure.
No, I think so. She enjoyed the pageant.
Yeah.
Nag-enjoy siya. So, we just here to support para mag-cheer kami para sa kanya. So, para mas lalo siyang lumakas ang loob niya. Nandito kami mami and the daddy. Ever since Miss Universe Philippines, lagi kami nandiyan sa kanya.
Yeah.
So, until here in Mexico, nandito kami para kay Chelsea Manalo. At sana ganun din ng mga Pilipino, supportahan natin si Chelsea Manalo.
Of course, we love Chelsea. It's not just Filipino. A lot of Puerto Rican bloggers
Yes.
are supporting her.
Oh,
My
okay.
co-host, she's Puerto Rican. She loves Chelsea.
Oh, thank you.
So her beauty is very universal.
Oh,
Yeah. Kailan nag-umpisang mag-pageant si Chelsea?
high school, I think. Since third year or second year high school, mag-start siya mag-pageant.
Is it her natural na pag...
Oh no, sorry. Elementary, sorry. Mag-start siya mag-pageant sa school.
So talagang enjoy, it's a hobby for her. She
like,
enjoys it.
yes, oo.
Yeah.
Gusto niya yun. Gusto
Yeah.
niya yung ginagawa niya.
She's excited whenever she's
Oo,
doing pageants.
syempre.
Yeah, I feel like that's the most important thing, is being excited and being passionate with what you
Yes,
do.
oo, she
Tell
is.
us, what preparation does she do before she gets up on stage? Does she pray? Does she?
She pray,
What
and
else? Yeah.
Well,
Yeah, para fresh, di ba?
Yes.
Di ba, para fresh.
yes.
Oh, I'm gonna put the attention on you now. Just give us a little bit, just a little tiny
Okay.
hint of what to expect.
We prepared like 8 outfits for her for Miss Universe, and then
And everything is fabulous, by the way. That yellow dress, that yellow dress is
yeah.
viral, and that's
the,
when I
the yellow dress is one of the options.
Yeah.
We're thinking if it's for preliminary or for the coronation. So since I prepared like 8 gowns, so minus na natin yung 8. Also minus the ombre hand painted gown. Isa rin yan eh.
Yeah.
Yun. And ano ba? What do you expect pa ba?
Does she have any input with the
Of
design?
course, of course.
Yeah.
Importante yan eh. That's very important for the candidate kasi and for the designer. Of course, to pag-usapan ano yung plan for the gown, pag-usapan yung idea and the design. And of course, the most important thing is she should be very comfortable.
Yes.
Comfortable.
Like
Yeah.
walking in.
And also, pag ginawa mo yung damit, dapat mag-reflect yung kay Chelsea that hindi siya dapat, di ba, may mga designs kasi na hindi mo nakita yung candidate. It should be Chelsea as gown and Chelsea as one. Ganun dapat.
I can see that I'm having goosebumps. I can see that you dressed her with love and like consideration of how she's gonna feel, how confident she's gonna feel, because it shows talaga. When I saw her in that yellow dress, hindi ko kang himatayan. I was like, that's our Chelsea. Like, oh my god, I'm like, hold on, stop, because they're so strict here. They're so strict in Mexico. We couldn't really. I used to have one-on-one interactions with the girls, but this year, parang magnanakaw kami ng mga attention. So this one-on-one is, the fans are gonna love this, because at least they'll have something to hold on to before the preliminaries. Awesome. Now, well, let's go to that.
Okay.
Collaboration na to, di ba? Ano naman ang ano ang payo nyo kay Chelsea for this competition?
Lahat naman, basta yung bata na yan, laban kung laban yan eh. Bata pa lang maliit, yun talagang pangarap niya. Yung Miss Universe. Kaya alam kong gagawin niya yun hanggang sa akin.
Yes. And I think she can. She can.
I can do it.
She already looks like a queen.
Queen.
Yeah. Well, maraming salamat for letting us talk to you, Mami.
Thank you so much.
Manalo. Salamat. This is a special moment. And we wish Chelsea the best. So, mga kababayan, please, let's support Chelsea.
Yes.
Mabuhay ang Pilipinas.
Mabuhay ang Pilipinas.
And thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Let's go.
Oh my God, that was amazing. Ha?
Alam ko Mexican ka.
So yun po ang kabuuan ng interview dito sa parents ni Chelsea Manalo. At bukas na din po ang kanilang maging closed door interview. Then sa Thursday ang kanilang preliminary competition. Then sa Sunday na po ang finals. Mga kapolitika, ano ang inyong maging mensahe dito sa ating kandidata sa kanyang competition sa Miss Universe 2024? Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue.